sexy beauty.
My love.
You know I love
my
you.
Sweetheart.
You know I love you.
You know I love you more.
I love you.
I love you too.
So when are we going to see your parents?
Don't tell me you're proposing. Oh, are you proposing?
I just want to marry you.
Oh my God, are you serious?
For real.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. You know, I've been waiting for this.
Yeah.
All this while.
Yeah.
So when are you intending to go see my parents?
When do you want us to go? When? Even if it is tomorrow, I'm ready. I'm ever ready to go. Yeah.
Okay, let's do August. August is okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You know, September is my birthday, and I've been wishing for us to get married by September on my birthday.
Yeah. It is true.
Yeah.
And are you sure it's going to favor you?
Yes, of course.
Are you sure?
You know I love you so much.
I love you too, baby. I just want to ask you something.
What's that?
Is it a taboo for a Ghanaian man to marry a Nigerian?
Who said that? No, it's not a taboo.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course. You know I love you so much,
Yeah,
and I've been waiting
too.
for this all this while. Oh my God, I can't wait to put on my wedding gown and start marching. Yeah, comes the bride. Yeah, comes the bride. Yeah, comes the bride.
Who's coming? Look at them. They are talking long.
I love you so much.
See, finally, they know that you can't carry it anymore.
Who are these people?
Hey, shh, madam. You say this you not sleep everywhere you won't enter. The road you are here. You say you not come and pick her. I brought her.
Sammy,
where is the room?
can you explain?
That's the room. Let's go.
Yeah. What is happening here? Who are these people?
Maybe it's here.
Sammy, I'm talking to you.
Mommy, good morning.
Hi, Mensa. Hi, Mensa.
Ade.
Wuni.
Ade.
Mensa wuni.
Messi Ade.
So ni mbwa.
Ah.
Ha. What's my show?
Ade.
Ada go there me.
Wo mu dai o.
Ade. On so wo me.
Check. Ade.
Oh, be plan. Che, why dey with me?
Me twema.
Oh, twema. Pakata ti ada go there me.
Ade na, nkade na obe.
Wo dey mu tell me. Oh, pakata ti ada go there me.
Why dey?
Why be me ni?
Nyabutema wo kuno hwedi ba.
Wata che. Messi. Akone wedi kwankwansa kire. Kakusa me say. Me say ono ba to me ene ono ne gen say ye da. Oda me fa no. Sagwe kokoro no. Anti le ni.
Na onso we.
Manye.
Na wani na esa.
To.
Ha?
Pasi ye bi.
O fa some to. Asia me ma kotu so ya dem. Ade ma hu no.
Wa ti. Ene me last.
Ma hu no.
Se ma mu akoya me go fi.
Ma hu no.
Wo bla. Ene ma mu me go fi ati.
Abra. Sorry. Me. Wani me.
Hey.
So, obewo.
Fayale o. So. Omo ya. Na kala.
You say you will not go see. This you know.
Sammy,
Financial.
can you tell
You
me
will
who
not come
these
for
people
it.
are?
Kwakusan.
Who are they?
Kwakusan. You will not come for her. Finally, I brought her. This is S01.
What is she
She's inside
talking
there.
about? Esena.
Baby,
I
please
don't
sit down.
understand.
Please sit down for me.
Who are these people? Talk
Please
to
sit
me,
down.
explain to me. I can't wait.
I said please sit down for me.
Look at this one.
Please, you are in a good mood.
Look at this one.
You are in my husband's
shut up.
house. So don't talk to me anyhow.
Shut up, oh. Shut up. My brother, you see, the last time when I saw you, the trophy, when you were coming, I stabbed you. Very soon you shed too. The bed, eh? You shed too.
Sammy,
You see, she's
what is she
mad.
talking about?
I brought her.
My friend, are you done? Are you done?
Oh, I'm not done, but let me tell you the last information. Or final information. Now that I brought her, make sure that nothing will happen to my friend. Oh. Because if you try over here, because of this one here, you know what I can do. You know what I can do. I went to my house. Today I came in peace. I brought her. Take good care of her.
I asked you the other day who this lady was, and you refused to explain to me. Who are these people? Who is that lady inside? Can you talk to me? Sammy, answer me. Who is this? Who are these people? Sammy, I'm talking to you. You're walking away from me, right? Sammy, come back here. You will explain to me. Sammy, who is this? Who are these people?
Timi Ubuntu pa mini na me want me say. Mami, pedo bia obuye kokoya na ja, ama me de make up na why. Ah, so ni dada.
Ubuntu.
O mo me de me kan nyina ewu, adwonbani nti.
Ubuntu. Me nya Ubuntu.
Hano Ubuntu. Then upede ofia. Obi afro wa.
Obo fu me.
Se friend Ubuntu ma sa me di. Ti ja na wen.
Ubuntu. Papa unchen. I don't know mama kunya bi na maintenance na.
Me, masa. Pie.
Ubuntu.
Free akọ. Asa bi biasi.
Se abutre.
Because bibi besi.
Misrao.
Onko.
Oh, misrao. Oh,
Onko.
tie mi kakra Ubuntu. No ye me say. Oh, misrao.
Ah, ni tire ho. Cheni tire ho. Asa take away. Na. Me nyo ade bi sia me nyo ade.
Mi na me de mo aba.
Che.
Ubuntu.
Na so we adofo. Me de mo aba. Na so do mo aba mom.
Ubuntu.
O do mo aba.
Misrao. Mana preocupa ni wo Ubuntu.
Masa, eni madam fo no minim ba bia en fa mo ehye me. Minim. Masa minim ba mo ehye me.
Ubuntu.
O de kasa na kasa.
Oh, untu yo menu kakra Ubuntu.
Na kasa o me hwe no nyede.
Oh, untu yo menu kakra Ubuntu.
Ya di asu me ti asem ya mfa ye ni kasa me tio. Mun kasa so asole ko. E de ntina wa.
Hey, ede me mo aba Ubuntu. Kwa kuma tuye. O de bani me be fo mboni chemi wate.
Kasa me tio. E de ntina wa.
Ubuntu. Hwe, mi se ma yo boni. Fa chemi. Okiteji. Oye ni pa boni angasa. Mi ndi na ti biao. Me unzo oye ni pa boni papa okiteji. Onye papa kura Ubuntu.
Na wa ti di no okatachi. Okatachi first na ya aboadi. Ene me ti ese Philip okatachi. Want to be that? It's sound okatachi. Okatachi ni pa. So na me madam for Jimmy wona na me tell na. Why utiri unsa kotokofo park so. Na unso gina tell na ge. So I me time kura mu
Mr. Ubuntu fa chemi wa.
We pole ma me kura.
Oi. Ubuntu ye. Mi se ma yo boni. Fa chemi wate. Obakura je na o na so a untwa wo bepepa. Wate. Na mpenifo kan amasem se fidie hia me chia na san ko. Na sa me chia ba. Me je dwanto am se.
Mo de sa ngwase abe ne de. Se kontua na tia kutu hia ne tia na konde. Mo di nsamfu bi am se o mbapa chew.
Ubuntu.
Mo di nsamfu na mbapa chew. Ene pa anya so la me koy pa. Anya so la me koy a. So fu no pretty far fa che ho a. Nanga.
Si abutre.
Samne kama ke metutwa no aweda dada.
Mr.
Hwemiye me nya hwemiye. Wutru take away. A film. Why you tiri won say dey oboy en cancer fortune. Na we je na ke so at me now.
Si abutre. Anything ma ba on ansu o. Okataji. Onye. Ubuntu. Onye kura.
So as me hu. So ya I read.
Oh, I don't.
Oh ya I read pa onye.
Oh, I don't mind.
Oh ya I read pa.
Oh, Ubuntu.
Nimu.
Mr. Ubuntu, unfa ncheme kakra.
O de ma dwun.
Obadwun ho. Afian so obadwun ho.
Ndimi na dai. Menwe hu nti si aha menye dai.
Oh, maba una se pa o che onyina still a.
Okay, o de ma te se meja tuma. Ko mi se me fra so le ba no. Utrim kwase ne me kwa asole. So first, let's offer so pretty far. Fache ho. Esa pa de anka na wo. Ka metwitwa wa no awe dada.
Ubuntu.
Medwen ho mpo, mente medwen ho.
Eh. Afian so obadwun ho.
Medwen ho tu de ko. Medwen ho, why?
O pam mi o.
Ko na me antika kokoko. Na bia wo de minimum. Wa mi an wakata chief e ba ma ko me antika kokoko. Me ka po ne eso kama. Me kwa so ba me ni di ntu de.
Wo da chamia.
Me inventor me dwen ho tu de ko. Achire me hu.
Ubuntu.
So le come down.
Madam for a metna se ka Canadian komana. Bonto.
We dem ate, why?
Oh, pami me.
Ko na me kwa me ante ka ko ntimi de. Ni pebia no, why ntino. Why? Onya me nya koko ne so. Me twa na sa afin, usi me kwa wa. Na ntu de ko mate. We de ache no ba, ache why?
Ubuntu we je me wonum.
Me fa me ka na ba.
Ubuntu.
Kalau di view di tisa na di keke. Ya. So, Santro Fiano ma se yawo. O kwati fi community na ba na fo bobisa. On va mettre na opa 20. Ona kata tiena, o monta ma fan. Wan jong yo no wa o me kwa di no fe wo. Na kwa. Anti nzo dem ne ka ne ba ka ne wa ba me dada me se o ha me go fa ba. Bye. Pas champagne. Loko ka na ba.
Hey, Angie.
Yes.
I'd say.
Oh no, you. Now Bangu na okay.
Baby, me trim ako.
What to form my power?
Oh, right. You don't work. You're from Lagos. City girl.
The Bangu then Bangu with what?
Fufu.
That's not why you like that. Why do you like to inform mommy like that?
Mommy na down.
How you have the thing is going now?
Oh, see, all torn panties in jewelry, so.
Panties.
Oh, Kasa, my men are what's that?
Yeah. Matajua.
What about? Yeah. What from you? So,
what did she say?
Down or say, but the Yama Babana, date no, like Yamman and Mefi.
But I don't want it is expensive. Let's go to China more.
Now, wow, mommy, what British pan, I will. Because oh, baby, baby, me out now.
Oh, sister, me organ no. Sister, I approach me. Me call breasting me wa.
Like,
Listen now. And you say, only me that. And you say, but listen now. You know that. As if we be friends, no, you understand me. Your mouth. I know the way you talk. You understand. You know, my brother Lincoln. I know the way you talk, like normal talk.
So you say my mouth like how?
Yeah, like. I've been my brother Lincoln. You know how he's ever since he came back from America, you know how he has been living. He can even kill anyone at any time. You know already. Please don't tell him anything. Where Cookie Sam is, please. You know I love Cookie Sam. You know that. Listen now, why do you want to kill me?
Why have I ever betrayed
But let me finish talking. Listen now.
No, the way your sound is like maybe I've betrayed you, I've done something to you that hey, to see my car so maybe that.
Listen now, don't take it serious. And fun is serious. Please, I beg you, just cook prepare your bank. Look, I'm hungry.
Wait. You and Kwaku Sam's issue. I don't want to be a third party about it at all. Have you forgotten the last time when you came to my house and you were in Kwaku Sam? He's sweet. He's like this. I told you that me, I was thinking about my admission. You told me, oh, now you have gotten it. It's blah blah blah. I beg. I'm out.
You don't worry. Let's prepare the bank. I'm really hungry now. Hey, bank me sure. Now you tell me share
party.
So don't get bothered, okay? Oh, it's a gentleman. Let me help you. Let me prepare it.
Let me sit down and cook.
Oh, I'll cook it. Don't worry.
Sit down and cook.
So you teach
you came to your senior house. You not sit down.
How do you prepare it? Where will I put my legs? Oh, teach me.
When I was doing it, were your eyes in the air?
Is it like this?
No. Then, I'm a sit here rather.
Like how?
Sit here.
Am I doing it well? It will be no.
Please. Hey, don't come and bang yourself. They go.
Mommy, I need it.
I still for back. But sorry.
Oh, it's a number.
I say super. I want you to say. I could say my posasa.
Oh, don't be doing that.
Auntie, you okay?
Oh, by the way, yes, and you know you have to understand.
I said, I am out. You and Kokusam issue. I'm out. Please.
Okay. Yeah, you. Let's hurry up.
But they said, don't come to my house and come and tell. And now I know. I said, Madam Kokosania, baby, go. Are they?
Most gentlemen, oh, I was going back 3 years.
That's bad, yeah. Over 10 minutes, I've been over.
And then the play.
Oh, we just only something. Always on Union Side.
Oh, I open up. I'm not going to move. One. And Bible, Jericho to the 4.
Jericho, but junction is a kind. I have your in the scene. In your room.
Where was Sam? I don't know. Nothing about it. Where was someone?
Chai and go ahead, day. Go ahead, day. Go for so, what put him in some who's part of that head. Some kind. Grossa, Moyanko.
Quite. Oh, so I put this. One of us was seen us.
Why they?
One of us
We never were chow. Which are caught a bam. Be a trap.
Because I'm going to you.
Oh, pretty wise, Africano.
I was with you.
But they never there were happy. Caught me do Yakam, Yanko.
Hey, Minibio, Minibio, Bombay, I'm over says, oh,
but I'm quite. Caught.
Win,
sir, Yanko, any
Autocalo. Abuabi, Obi.
What shall we?
Kwakusam,
Quanati game no.
Kwakusam,
Mathematic.
Hey, sorry, I'm good afternoon.
Hey,
Vejimiska.
now answer Abu.
Oh, I don't know
from the bush. Move to the fire, we say.
My bow fees 7 times me whom. Me fell for 7 times on phone of Swagum.
Abu frame 7 times.
Whom you know, George. As a family scammer, maybe calling I know.
One way you're free.
I can't see my fear.
Me fell for so invested. My friend phone for 5 times. What do you phone cry? You don't feel so me.
Because I'm phone or I for you.
Whom you check. Diane was.
Hey, and just minimum. I did